Karam, please, can you introduce yourself for the others?
Okay, so my name is Karam. I am 13 years old and I live in Berkane. So I am in the 8th grade and I was here in IKS. It is 5 months.
Okay.
So I just did a project the day where Mr. Morad told us to create one. It was just basic. I was just coding what is in my mind. So I'm going to share a screen now. So this is like in the first time I was like want to do an app like that. It is just in the console. I want like to create an app like that is like calculator and also like a task management. And I added like a fun time. I used my project of the score.
Yes, I really like it, the idea about combination with while, okay, the loops and...
So first of all, I did like a form. So they ask you about your name and then the age and then the score. So I didn't give much importance. So then I did like, what do you want? So if he like wants calculate, it will ask him for the first number, then the second number. Then what symbol do you want?
Yes.
So maybe go. So then it will calculate.